Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm going to be doing my first get ready with me. I've never done a get ready with me before, but I am excited to do it. So I'm going to be putting on a really cute outfit. It's just kind of a casual day, but we're going to be putting on something cute. So if you are interested for this get ready with me, please keep on watching. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to do something to his face. I'm going to be putting on my go-to primer, the Too Faced primer. Colourpop eyebrow pencil in dark brown. It always does this, like detaches right there and I had to pull it out. So annoying. Don't you hate when there is a pimple on your eyebrow and then you have to fill it in? Ugh, that is literally the worst. Like, it hurts. Please tell me that I'm not the only one dealing with adult acne. It sucks. Or like back in the day, no one had adult acne. Why do we have adult acne now? Is it because of all the generic foods? I always wonder that. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 400W. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty powder, my go-to powder in honey. I'm gonna be going in with my Colourpop Big Poppy palette. These are so pretty, perfect for brown skin girls, like perfect palette, day tripping. Dig it right here. The thing I want to do is a cut crease. So I'm not very good at it, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna take this flat brush right here and I'm going to just take a little bit of my concealer. I'm gonna cut the crease on my eye. Okay, that's not a good cut crease, but yeah, we're gonna clean it up. Go back in with Mellow and just put that over where the cut crease is. Groovin right here. I wish this palette had a mirror. It'd be perfect. Have y'all been listening to Summer Walker's album? Summer Walker's album is so good. I just love that kind of R&B, like it's so good. My favorite songs on it are in with Wild Things right here. My favorite songs on the album, Reciprocate. She went off on Fourth Baby Mama, like she went off. She's so talented. Is it better than the first Over It, the Still Over It album? I personally like it a little more, but I feel like there was more radio music on Over It compared to Still Over It, but I like both of them about the same, honestly. Like Over It, I didn't like every single song either, so you know, I guess I'm a little different. I'm sure most people like Over It a little more, but they're both good albums, honestly. Get Around right here. I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics brow pencil, matte brown. I just wanted like a little bit of a brownish wing, just something a little more natural. Go in with my Colourpop Mascara in Black on Black. These are Amazon lashes, by the way. They're just the natural ones. I'm trying to show them. And then the lash glue in Duo. I'm wearing my Victoria's Secret robe. This robe is so cute. I probably can't show the whole thing, but yeah, it's really cute. It has pink all over it. I got this for free like a couple years ago. Victoria's Secret pink was really popping, you know, but now it's like they don't try anymore with their pink products. Fenty matchstick in Espresso. I forgot to mention this, but these are the Simpson's Halloween makeup brushes from Revolution, and they're really nice. Like, I really like how they blend in my makeup. My Fenty bronzer in Coco Naughty. And with a more pinkish blush. So I'm gonna go in with the Sailor Moon Colourpop blush and Cat's Eye. This is how the packaging looks. How cute is that? These are literally my favorite blushes. Sailor Moon is one of my favorite animes. Like, I love it so much. And here it is right there. Yeah. I don't talk about that much, but I am a huge anime fan. I love anime, I love Korean drama. Like, I've been watching Korean drama for years. I'm happy a lot of Korean shows are coming to the forefront. Everyone's getting more into Korean shows because Koreans make amazing TV. I've been watching, like, everyone started watching, I guess, Korean shows with Squid Games, but I've been watching, I like to, usually when I watch dramas, I like to watch the romances, like Boys Over Flowers. The newest one is Yumi Sale is the one I'm watching now. I'm still watching Goblin. There's so many great Korean dramas to watch. Like, they're really good. Nightmare Before Christmas Colourpop Squid Liner, and I'm going to go in and just tap in and darken my birthmarks. You can barely see them now because makeup is over them, but yeah, I just like to go in and darken my birthmarks. And use my go-to, of course, the NYX lip liner in Espresso. Okay, and the lip product I'm going to be using is the Colourpop Just a Tint in Roseway. And these Colourpop Just a Tint lip products, this is how they usually look. Usually has such a good, like these things always smell good. I have a good amount of these, so I can have a video technically dedicated to these because I have a lot of these, and they smell so good and they're so affordable. Okay, and we're all set for face. I'm gonna be putting on my jewelry on my necklace with the D symbol on it. I feel like all girls should have at least one necklace with their initials on it. And then we're gonna have a necklace with a cross on it. See, love Jesus around here. Okay, pretty. Put on my go-to hoop earrings. A little bit, I'm gonna be using the Creme Pure Honey Edge Control, just a regular toothbrush. I wouldn't say this is the best edge control in the world, but if you have, like, I have softer edges, so my edge is gonna move anyway after a couple hours. But I would say this edge control has like a medium hold, basically. All right, and let me go put on my outfits and we'll be back. All right, so I was outside just taking a couple of pictures. It was such a beautiful day. So my sweater, I wore a purple sweater called 7 Rings with some black leggings and some brown Ugg boots. And yeah, I was just outside taking some pictures, so you're just seeing me posing a couple of these. But all right, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share if you care. And I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.